thing is just being out here every day. I mean, I'm always learning, I'm always getting to work with something, whether it's cleaning stalls or riding a horse, and I get to make friends and kind of work on my weaknesses and strengths as an individual with my horse.
I finally made it here, and it's just so great. So many opportunities have been just opened up, so many doors.
We're on the rotational horses right now, so every 2 to 3 weeks we get to switch. And the horses are like the mini teachers, so they get to teach you a lot in the different units, and you get to ask different questions all the time.
It's really cool being able to change horses every 2 weeks. It opens up how you can feel with your body, the different horses, and what all they can do, what they feel like, how they move, because that's how you connect with them.
Each rotation is new and exciting because you get a new horse, and it's just a new subject with your instructor, so it's someone new you haven't learned from, and it's just very exciting.
I like the instructors a lot. They're very personable if you have a question, and they're just fun to be around.
You get to see the instructors themselves get on their horses, and they will recreate scenarios. So I think the demos are kind of priceless in that sense.
And even the test, it is a show. We have our different classes. It definitely judges your ability and how comfortable you are with the material at the time, but you see progress. It's a constant, just adding on to what you know.
There's just something always to learn. Every day I have a little bit more of an opportunity to make myself a better person, and not just a better person, but a better, horse, woman, trainer, whatever, to help me along my path.
And now I've networked so far around, and I've gotten to work with so many amazing horses and so many amazing people, and Findlay's just a fun environment.